How's it looking out there?
It's blowing. It looks white. Yeah.
Looks like we're getting about an inch an hour right now.
Yeah, there's probably a good 3 inches or so there.
Crunch, crunch, crunch.
You know, the pictures look better when you take them from outside.
Yeah, you know. I just want the reflection. That's what
It's
it
gonna
is.
be like a big white blob.
Yeah.
Are you not being able to see the logo on